late. I don't want him to come and wait on me. Wait there. Me know them boy out the road slick. You have to prepare for them. Them love take what is not theirs. Everything is in check? Okay. I don't want to be late.
Right now, Chargy. Backstage with the pan for morning, you know.
I feel like that from what the I'm see nothing not going
Like the
brother.
boy, Mr. Chin. I not even know my face, him, I see. Us, me not even know Kung Fu. I not even see my face, brother.
Yeah.
Me I tell you,
Yeah,
right now, any opportunity in idea, we are going to take that.
so he said,
Yeah, man.
I feel happy, you know.
I'm gonna be so late. Oh.
You see me that thing now.
Brother, can you see the bag there? Money bag there.
Nobody can come see me have money in that.
Check you out. I'm going to chat to you, I'm going to chat to you.
Anything and anything. Hello, good morning. What's such a beautiful name that go with such a beautiful figure?
Well, enough of you. Right now I'm late.
Look a little late, yes.
But chat, but she go on, man. She not getting a talk.
No, say a show.
Case of bleaching.
Have a good day, darling.
All right.
Bingo. 100,000, 100. It's a cheap bed.
Then you say me I got money in the purse. Sorry.
Richie there.
Yeah, Mr. Chen. Yeah. Are you there, big boss? Right now. Just do a beer, Jagan, for drink. Yo, check up my bill. How my bill?
No, sir, you can't do.
Right now, dog. At least that. You see me? You know what I say? Where did Mr. Chin? Mr. Chin with me, you see me?
Mr. Chin there.
Yeah, man. Jesus Christ. Such a good boy, too. A Christmas? A style. She's... John.